Hi, it's George McFly here at Knox Horizon Complete Auto Care. I'm here with the owner, Randy. Today, I've been fascinated about this because I need a lesson in this as well. He's going to tell us about tire tread wear and alignment. Randy.
George, thank you very much. And I believe you're bringing in a vehicle for tires sometime
I
soon.
am, yeah.
So this is a really good thing. One thing I'll talk about tires. Good tires are very important. Tires are like the soles of your shoes. If you have a shoe with good tread, you're not going to slip on a wet floor. If you're wearing dress shoes sometimes, has slick sole, you're going to go flying if you step in something slick. Same thing with your tires on the road. The more tread you have, the better it disperses water, and you're not going to have the hydroplane situations or the sliding all over the road. So good tread's very important. But the alignment of your vehicle is what keeps the tire wearing correctly. If you're in perfect alignment, the tires should wear evenly all the way across.
Right.
But there's different measurements in alignment, and a lot of people don't understand what they are. A lot of people are used to what the toe setting is of the car, and basically the toe is, we talk about if your tire is towed out, then your tire is going to be pulling to one side. A lot of people come in, I need alignment because my car is pulling.
Sure.
Sometimes it's what the problem is, the toe. It can be towed in. I've seen some where both tires are towed in and they're working against each other. They're trying to drive into each other. And that's going to make your gas mileage suck and everything else. It's all about the alignment. But there's other different measurements too. There's what's called camber, and basically what camber tells you is my tire leaning out or is it leaning in? And as anybody can see, if it's leaning out, you're going to wear the outside of the tread out before you wear anything else out. If it's leaning in, you can wear the inside of the tread out. Now there's one more measurement when you talk about alignment that a lot of people don't know about and it's called caster. On a lot of cars, it's not adjustable even if it's out. Unfortunately, they've not made an adjustment for it. But caster tells you where's the tire sitting in the wheel well, front or back. And if Darren, if you want to pan over here to this Beetle that we have in here, just to give a demonstration, perfect caster means that tire is sitting right in the center of that wheel well. If the caster's out this way, the tire sits too far back, it could end up rubbing your fender here. If it's too far forward, it can end up rubbing your fender here. A lot of cars have four-wheel alignment where you have adjustments on the front and the rear. So bring it to a shop that knows how to properly make all those adjustments if they're adjustable, because some manufacturers make them where they're not. And some aftermarket companies now have come up with special adjusters for them that you can buy to adjust those things that the factory didn't make adjustable. So that's the different aspects of tires and alignment that a lot of people just don't understand everything that goes into.
On a personal note, I can't tell you the importance of new tires and proper alignment. I lost a niece a few years ago. She was driving to college in Illinois and had a tire blowout. She lost her life because of it. My daughter has new tires on her vehicle. I'm getting new tires on mine. It's extremely important. I mean, think about the gravity of having these tires, proper tread wear, so you don't hydroplane, so you don't slide around, so you have proper alignment all the time.
Cars that come in, when we check tires, we actually have a gauge where we check to see how much tread's on the tire. The National Highway Transportation Safety Board says when it gets down to 230 seconds of tread, it's time to dispose of the tire. It's no longer good for anything. But we see people come in here that have well below that.
With their steel
showing. I have one in here yesterday where the steel was shown on the inside. The camber was in, and it wore the inside of the tire out.
It's so dangerous.
And it is. And when we properly align a car, as you can see by the measurements up here on the board, everything's going to be in the green. The front camber is in the green, it's a little out, but again, it's non-adjustable on that car that we did. There's not even an adjustment kit for me to be able to adjust it, but by adjusting everything else, we got it within the green. We spent $100,000 on this alignment machine, one of only 8 in the country. It's totally touchless, no heads to hang on the tires or anything, state of the art, everything's done by lasers and cameras. I think people should come in and see us.
Knox Horizon Complete Auto Care. They're just off 640 on Clinton Highway. Request an appointment anytime at knoxhorizon.com, and whether here or there, we'll catch you off the air.